Well, I've been wanting some practice versus giants, and this week's challenge moon is the perfect place for that. I'm playing as if I have 3 other people on the team, so I'm only purchasing 9 stun grenades to leave money for shovels. I'll try to get all 3 beehives. Between the 2 close by, I start with the one slightly further away. I drop the beehive the moment I run out of stamina and can continue to run just long enough to lose the bees. The giant is close, but I haven't seen it yet. I'm looking around while waiting for my stamina to refill. Crouching keeps my stealth meter high, as does staying still. Not seeing the giant, I use the hill to block line of sight to the area where I think it probably is. To move the beehive onto the ship, I should be as lightweight as possible. Each grenade is between 5 and 6 pounds. Oh, there's the giant. Oopsie, ignore that. Each bee sting does 10 damage. Full health is 100, so I'm at 90 health. Now I had 80 health. Remember that the stealth meter only matters when the giant is looking at you. When his back is turned, run. I can only carry the weight of 1 stun grenade when stealing hives, or else I cannot outrun the bees. I leave the rest underneath the ship, which is my quickest escape from giants. health. 60 health. Taking a bee sting when dropping the hive next to the other is inevitable. If I bring back the 3rd hive, I will take 2 stings from the other hives as I drop it. Keep in mind that if I reach 20 health, I will become critically injured, and at 10 health, I will limp and can no longer outrun the bees. Therefore, I can only get stung twice more while retrieving the 3rd hive. The last hive is the furthest away. By now, all 3 giants have spawned, but I don't know their exact positions, so I walk between hills and trees for cover. This sound effect lets me know I've been spotted. I block the giant's sight with a tree, and it walks away. Based on experience, it seems that after a giant has seen you enough times, a single glance like this will cause it to immediately run toward you. Okay, this is the 2nd time I've been spotted. There's the last beehive. The baboon hawk hasn't seen me, so I'll wait for it to leave. "50 health. Now the baboon hawk sees me. A quick glance makes it back up. Oh god. Third sighting. The weird topography is making me stand randomly. This visual effect lets me know the giant is coming toward me. I guess I won't be taking home the last hive. I throw a stun grenade and run to my right while blinded. I need more grenades. This is where the dropship left them. I thought the giant might have lost me, but it's still chasing, so I go under the ship. I just need to avoid the bees. Here are all three giants. Under here, I'm safe, but I eventually need to get on the ship to leave. They all want my sweet ass. With three giants, every opening I try to take is immediately blocked again. I'll just go for it. What's the worst that could happen? Pull the pin quick. While blinded, I switch to the next grenade and pull the pin. Oh my god. I do it again. I can't stop laughing. There's a brief window to get on the ship now. I missed it. An opening. I'll lead this giant away first. I walk whenever I can, to preserve stamina. Ha ha ha, idiots. Anyway, before I go, I wanted to test if the cupboard blocks line of sight. It does not. I need to go outside to get the hives. The giants could grab me if I go out too early, so I have to wait. With a full lobby, we all could easily bring in 3 beehives, but as a solo, I can only get the one. I could have gotten both if I positioned them closer, but the nearer to the door they are, the more likely the bees are to leave their hives and start roaming. Further from the door is just a safer position for multiplayer. Anyway, that's all.